we had one of them like films moments after that game, and like this is because I think late in the game I tried to like go 1-on-1 against the whole team.
Oh, is this the one when Draymond was
Yeah, that one. And
he had you on the island, bro.
Yeah, I had Zio. Yeah. Yep. And I shot some bullshit,
Nice.
I think I shot a deep 3 over you or something. It was a terrible shot.
He went in his bag.
And I'm like, man, it brought me back to the OKC days. I'm like, man, fuck it. I'm about to try to game these dudes. I don't really like, I try to bring that rivalry to the Warriors. That shit did not work out. Dre was like, we don't do that here right now. We just move the ball. We've been moving the ball all game. We've been winning. And you want to do this shit now? I was like,
watch out, Dre.
Yeah, I was like, man, chill, bro. I got it. Ain't work out that way.